What's up, y'all? Thank you guys for coming back to the channel. Today's video is going to be relatively short, and I know this for a reason because I know I say that a lot. It's going to be relatively short. I'm going to be putting on it's a battery installation kit I got from AutoZone. I guess I got it from AutoZone. Shout out to, I always shout you guys out. Anytime somebody give me like an idea or something I need to do, I always shout you guys out. I believe Miguel Silva. Shout out to you, homie, telling me about this. It's a relatively, I'm assuming, easy process. It has battery grease. This is the battery grease on top. And these terminal pads, basically they help with, like when you see some batteries have that little white, dusty, corrosion-y type stuff. Well, this helps with that. It's supposed to be like infused with some type of like solution on these pads, and you have to put them on a certain way. The green is for negative, the red is for positive. And I'll run you guys through the whole process on that. I bought two just in case, bought two. It's like I said, you see the price right there, it was $349. It's not expensive at all. And this will actually extend the life of your battery. And it's one of those things that it's really like an oversight. Nobody really does it. At least every car that I've seen, I don't be seeing this on people's cars. But yeah, it's one of those oversights that nobody really pays attention to and nobody really does. But I'm gonna do it, all right? So let's go ahead and jack the car. What am I talking about? Open the hood. What the fuck I need to jack the car for? Open the hood and get started, and I'll kind of show you guys and run you guys through the easy process of it, all right? Let's go. All right, so I'm gonna take a battery cover off. By the way, if you guys notice throughout my videos, I don't have the battery cover for this and the other side. So what I'm gonna basically do is I've already ordered it actually from Z1. So the cover for the battery and also the other side is completely gone. Like this plate, I don't know why. I guess when I was getting it done at whatever mechanic place, they took it off, never put the shit back on. So I'm ordering another one already from Z1. So, but anyway, so yeah, what we're gonna do is take off the negative, and then we're gonna take off the positive. So I'll let you guys know. Same for positive. All right, so that's that. All right, so now that the two posts are completely exposed, we're gonna open this up right here. Let's see how I'm gonna do this. All right, there we go, like that. Come on. All right, so what I'll do is just put a little good amount around the posts. Same thing on the opposite end. And what this does, it basically helps against corrosion. Like I said, when you see those batteries that have like that powdery, acidic buildup, you know what I'm saying? This actually helps with that. It helps with not having your battery have that on your posts, which ultimately your battery then shortens the lifespan of the battery. So I figured, like I say, shout out to you, Miguel Silva, for telling me about this. I've always wanted to do it. Another friend of mine's told me to do it too, but I just never got around to it. You know what I mean? Now I've always seen these inside Advance and AutoZone. By the way, I did get this from AutoZone, all right? But I always seen these. I'm like, what the hell is that? Like, what's the purpose of it? Then I did some research and found out what it was. So yeah, these pads have, from what I understand, please, if you know different or more, throw it in the comments. But to my understanding, these pads have an infused solution, like a I don't know if it's like an oil-based solution that stops or hinders the corrosion on the post from the, from the bottom of the actual battery post. So yeah, it's really, really good to have on your car. If you want to extend the battery, especially with, you guys know I had that problem with my battery. And this is a whole new battery. So shout out to my brother for hooking it up on this. So yeah, this extends the life of your battery, so you don't have that issue moving forward. All right, so now, like I say, this video is gonna be relatively short, guys. I just wanna make sure you guys understand the process. Take these gloves off. I don't have to touch that anymore. All right, clack this back in. I hope this positive ain't doing the same shit. The same shit as my, as this. Like it seems a little loose on the positive, but. You know what, if I have to change the actual positive post, then I just have to change it. So it's not gonna be a big issue. It's a little loose, like see right here? It's tight on the screw, but this is still a little loose. I don't know why, man. All right. Let's see. That's about as tight as I can possibly get it. I do know I'm gonna have to change this. I feel it. I'm gonna have to change it because the bolt that's here is gonna have the same issue as the bolt that I had for the negative. I can't tight it anymore, but the metal on this, like the metal that actually squeezes it, like how this here, the metal that actually squeezes this, it's starting to show its age. So I know I'm gonna have to probably order another one of these positive pieces. This whole entire assembly, I'm gonna have to probably order. If I can get away with it with just maybe the metal piece, I'll see if I can do that. But I'm probably gonna have to get a whole. And I already told you guys I got to get one of those, those red covers. So I may just see what's online and look up, go back on Z1 and see if they got something. This whole positive assembly to make that work. So, but that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Put your plastics back on. Can't wait to get this cover so I don't have my battery completely exposed. And that's it, guys. I mean, it's like I say, it's a relatively short video, nothing crazy. Definitely, if you see yourself, getting a new battery or something like that, you definitely want to get this kit. Like I say, it's battery installation kit. It's $350. Just get it. It'll definitely extend the life of your battery. All right, let's go. And just like that, guys, we're done. Very simple, very short installation, nothing too crazy. It's basically to kind of just keep, it's part of like your regular checklist when you're doing your car. And the battery, you don't want to have to run through a situation with your battery that, okay, now I got to buy a new battery, because battery is expensive. And, $150, $130 battery may not be in people's budget, all the time. So pop that on. It's $350, $4, whatever. And it's something you can really easily do, knock it out and be done with it. All right. So this video is going to probably end up going up today. I'm not going to save this for the Saturday video because that's what I kind of want to do. I want to do like a Wednesday and Saturday. I was going to do Wednesday and Friday, but that only leaves like one day in between, like the Thursday. So I kind of want to let Wednesday's video breathe a little bit for the first 2 days, and then Saturday video comes and you could see that. But So I want to do that. I want to probably get to a habit of doing Wednesday and Saturday. I think that's better for me and for you guys, and for the algorithm as well. But yeah, if you like what you see, you like my little quick content I'm going to do, I'm going to probably start doing a lot of these. I don't want to do the 15, 18-minute videos all the time. Do short videos. So if you guys like what you see and you want to see more of this content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there and leave a comment, share. If you feel somebody would need this information, go ahead and share it on your social medias, Facebook, whatever, just share it. But yeah, that's it. If you guys like it, I'm loving it. All right. Again, as I always say, love each other, be kind, be grateful, be humble, and always stay driven. One.